Hello, I'm Dasun Sucharith from Sri Lanka, and this is my CS50 final project. So, this is a forum website which I uh, built using Python and Flask. So, first we have to sign up for a new account. So, I'm going to sign up for a new account. I just have to give a password and then confirm password, then username at email address and username. Then I'm going to sign up. So I have successfully signed up, and then uh, if I save the username and password, it will automatically appear here when I save it when I save it to Chrome. And then I'm going to add the username and then the password and then login. So I have successfully logged into this forum. So I can add different kind of posts. There are already several posts which I added in my testing. So let's create a post. So I can write anything in here and then I can post it. So it will appear down here as a post. Then I can comment to the other post also like this, and then when I comment it, it will appear like this. And also I can remove my comments. Also I can like these posts also like that, and then I can delete my post, and let's add something again, and it will appear here. I can remove my comments if I don't want them like that. So if I log in, log out, and I'm going to log into another account of mine, and then successfully logged in, and here I can see the post that I have created, and I can comment there like that. And also only the post that I created appear in here. All the posts appear in here, appears in the posts window, and only the post that I have created can be deleted by me. So this is my final project. Thank you everyone.